A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move aimed at easing the financial strain on Australian families, Treasurer Jim Chalmers has unveiled a $17.1 billion tax cut plan as part of the 2024 federal budget. This announcement comes alongside various measures designed to improve living standards and bolster the government's chances for re-election. The Treasurer presented his budget in a climate of global economic uncertainty, but expressed confidence that the Australian economy is on the mend, claiming that the worst is behind us. The new tax cuts will be phased in, with the first set to take effect in July next year, reducing the tax rate for many Australians from 16% to 15%. Although the immediate savings may seem modest at $5.15 per week, the government anticipates that subsequent reductions will further benefit taxpayers, lowering the rate to 14% in the following year. In addition to tax relief, the budget includes significant investments in healthcare, education, and childcare. Notably, $12.5 billion is allocated for cheaper medicines and increased access to healthcare services, including more free doctor appointments. This investment is part of a broader effort to address the rising cost of living that has been a pressing concern for many Australians. One of the standout features of the budget is the introduction of energy rebates worth $150, which will be applied to electricity bills quarterly starting July 1st. Furthermore, the childcare subsidy activity test will be replaced by a new 3-day guarantee, ensuring families receive at least 3 days of subsidized childcare. This change is expected to ease the financial burden on working parents and make childcare more accessible. The government also aims to tackle the housing crisis by expanding the income and price caps for the Help to Buy shared equity scheme, allowing more first-home buyers to enter the market with smaller deposits. This initiative is part of a comprehensive strategy to help Australians achieve home ownership amid rising property prices. In the healthcare sector, the budget proposes capping the maximum price for medicines under the Pharmaceutical Benefits Scheme at $25, alongside a commitment of $1.8 billion to list more life-saving medicines. Additionally, Medicare is set to receive an $8.5 billion boost to improve bulk billing rates, which have seen a concerning decline in recent years. The budget also allocates $2.6 billion for pay rises for aged care nurses, reinforcing the government's commitment to improving care for the elderly. To further enhance healthcare access, 50 new urgent care clinics will be established, backed by a $644 million investment. Women's health has also been prioritized, with a dedicated $793 million to support services related to contraception, endometriosis, pelvic pain, and menopause. In the realm of education, student loan debts will be reduced by 20%, with adjustments to the minimum repayment threshold and rates, pending legislative approval. This move is designed to alleviate the financial pressure on graduates and promote higher education accessibility. On the industrial relations front, the government plans to ban non-compete clauses for low- and middle-income workers, effective from 2027. This policy aims to enhance job mobility and empower employees to seek better employment opportunities without restrictions. Despite the positive outlook presented by Treasurer Chalmers, the opposition has expressed strong disapproval of the budget. Shadow Treasurer Angus Taylor has labeled the tax cuts a cruel hoax, arguing that they fail to adequately address the decline in living standards experienced by Australians over the past 3 years. As the budget is scrutinized by various stakeholders, including students, retirees, and health professionals, the government is keen to emphasize its commitment to rebuilding the economy, reducing inflation, and enhancing living standards for all Australians. With the Treasurer concluding his speech on a hopeful note, he stated, "Our progress and our prospects validate and vindicate the decisions and the sacrifices that we've made together as Australians." As the nation digests the implications of this budget, the government will face the challenge of ensuring that its promises translate into tangible benefits for everyday Australians. The next steps will be crucial in determining whether this budget will indeed mark a turning point in the Australian economy and the lives of its citizens. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.